Hello Minglers, welcome to your new dashboard inside Mingle Cash. Let's go through your menu so you understand what different sections are. Start here. That explains to you about some of the sections where you can earn money and some other parts of Mingle Cash. Good idea to first time, just have a look at that and see. Play and earn. Now this is where we start to get serious. This is where you earn the money. However, watch and earn can be even better because now Mingle Cash has our own video channel, network #1, and we thoroughly recommend you going there and earning some money. Yes, you can earn some money today. The offer wall. Some other things inside there where you can earn from, but we'll explain them later. Lotteries. Wow, you know that you can win the lottery daily and hourly on Mingle Cash. Refer and earn, the big money one. That's right, this is where you earn the most. By referring others, you build your downline, and the more you build your downline, the more you earn, because you get 5% of all your downline members right down through 10 levels. That's massive. We'll show you more about that later. Support group. Need some help? Just go to our Telegram support group. We'll answer your questions. Other members are in there. They can also help you. So if you get lost or not sure what to do, check out the support group. Stats. That's the page you're looking at now. This shows you a lot of stuff. It shows you your revenue. It shows your downline. It shows your earnings. So it's a good page. And there is a big page and we need a lot more explaining to do on that. Scoreboard. Where the lotteries are. Your percentage chance of winning today's lottery is in there. So all you've got to do is open that up, play 5 games and check out your percentage. The help menu. Okay, referral tips. Referring people. Fantastic tips in here on how to refer people in a whole range of ways. The facts. Just the facts, ma'am. Okay, that's where you'll find all the information on our facts. A larger file, and you should read that if you've got any questions before you come to the support group. Learn about the facts. And our contact us. If you need to contact us, that's there. Click off the help. And your account. This is your own personal account. Payments, where you set up your minimum withdrawal amount you want, plus your PayPal or Vitae account information. Important that you fill that out and get it set up first thing. Finally, your profile. All the information that you need to put in there about you. And of course, last but not least, the log out button. It's found under the account. Yep, if you want to log out, that's where you go. Easy peasy. Okay, that's the first video just about the menu, and we're going to go through each of the sections of the menu for you and explain a little bit more in further videos. So, have a happy mingling day and make lots of money.